Today's question is problem number 71, known as simplify path. So let's read the question. The question states that you are given an absolute path for a Unix style file system, which always begins with a slash. Your task is to transform the array path into its simplified canonical path. Okay, so basically we have to convert a given Unix style path into a simplified canonical path. The rules for both are given below. The rules of a Unix style file system are given as single period dot represents a current directory, double period represents the previous directory, multiple consecutive slashes, that is 2 slash or 3 slash, are treated as the same single slash. Okay, any sequence of periods that does not match the rules above should be treated as a valid directory or file name. For example, triple dot and 4 dots are valid directory or file names. Okay, and now the rules for canonical path are as follows. Path should start with a single slash. Okay, directories within the path must be separated by exactly one slash. Okay, that is the file names or the directories must be separated by single slash only. And the path must not end with a slash. That is, it should not end with a slash. Okay, the path must not have any single or double periods. That is, no single this and no double this. Okay, but if it is a triple or four, if it is a triple or 4 dots, then they are a valid directory or file names. Okay, it is given. So let's look at the examples. So example number 1, that is the Unix path is given as this part, and the output is this. As the rule number 2 here says that the path should not end with a slash. That is, we just remove the ending slash. So this is the output. Now let's see this one. That this double slash, as we saw in rule number this rule number, multiple slashes are treated as a single slash. So this 2 slashes will be treated as a single slash over here, and this ending slash shall be removed. Okay, so this is the output. After this is the thing. So till here it is valid, so the answer would be same. But as soon as the double dot came, we read in rule number 2 that a double dot represents the previous parent directory. That is, this whenever this double dot is encountered, we have to remove the previous directory just prior to it, that which was documents. So let me just explain you this. Just explain this. Now look, if I have, this is my input, so the output would be like home would be as it is, user would be as it is, documents would be as it is. Now as soon as the double dot here is encountered, the previous directory is removed, that is the documents. So this is removed, and then this pictures. So this should be the answer over here, and as you can see, this is the answer. Okay, got it. Now let's look at this example. This slash would be as it is, starting with a slash, double dot. Now we can see that there is no prior directory to this double dot, so we would do nothing, and this ending slash would be removed. So the answer would be simply a single slash. Now this example is important, very very important. Now let's look at this example. Is this, we'll apply the same concept here. Start with a slash, triple dot, as we were given in this rule that triple dot or 4 dots are valid file name or directory. Okay, so this is a valid file name, so we insert this triple dot, then slash, then a is a valid directory, so a comes. Then when as soon as this double dot is encountered, we remove the previous directory, that is this a. and then B would become, and then C would come, and then again a double dot, so this C would be removed, and then D would come, and this single dot, there was a rule related to single dot. A single period represents a current directory, that is, single dot must not be taken. So this would be the answer. So as you can see, this is the answer over here. Okay. So the basic concept is that we would basically we this is the input string given to us. This is the input string. We would simply make an array of this. We would make an array of the words that are separated within slash. Slash is strings. Basically, it would be strings. So the first string would be triple dot. Okay. Then next to it would be a. And then there would be what? There would be double dot. Then there would be B. Then there would be C. Then would be again a double dot. Then would be D. Then would be then there would be what? Single dot. So basically, what we will then traverse this array and make another answers array, suppose, of strings only, which would contain the resulting. Now, the first word is triple dot, and as the rule says, triple dot must be considered as the. So basically, this answers vector would only contain the valid file names or directory names. So triple dot is a valid directory name, so triple dot would come. Now A is a valid directory name, so A would come. Now double dot, as soon as a double dot is encountered, you must remove the last entered directory from it. Okay, then B would come, then C would come. Now again a double dot is encountered, so you must remove the last entered this directory. Then again D would come, then dot must not be considered. So this would be the final answer, and then answer is string. Suppose we have to, as we have to return the result, we have to return the result in form of a string. So we would generate an empty string, and we would concatenate all these strings one by one within between slashes. So slash first string is triple dot, then again a slash second string is B, then again a slash the string is D. So this would be the answer. Okay, this is the general concept that would be used. Now let's look at the code. So this is the code over here. Just show you. So we first, this is the Unix. Let me just open this sideways. As I can just, so this vector over here, I have taken its name as Unix. This vector I have taken the name, no, this vector the name is Unix. This vector's name is simple. I've extracted the length, that is n characters. The final answer string, that is this string. This I have taken as the answer. No need of this now. And this as the word that we would be extracting each word from this input string. So for each character in the path, here as you can see, we reverse over the input string, and in this part, if the character is not a slash, then word is equal to word plus cs, that is, this triple dot would be stored in the word, and as soon as this next slash is encountered, what would happen? It would go into the else part, where we can see we are checking if the word is a double dot. Then what we have to do, if the word is a double dot, then we have to remove the remove the last entered directory. But if what if the simple, this Unix thing is empty? I have not considered this. Let's remove this. I've directly inserted in the simple. So what we will do, if this is a double dot, then we have to check if the this vector is empty or not. If it contains a directory, then we have to remove the last directory. That is, if it contains a directory, that then we have to simply pop back, remove the last element. Else we have to do nothing. As if the directory vector is empty, then we cannot remove any directory from it. Okay. Next part, if the word is a single dot or simply a space, not a space, just an empty string, then we do not have to consider it. We just move on. So this part is just like this. No need for this. Okay. Else, if it is anything else, then it is considered as a valid directory name. So we just simply push it into the simple vector over here. Okay, I've seen it. Now what we do, and as you know, for the last, we are checking the condition for a word break as the presence of a slash. What if there does not exist a slash at the end of the input string? Then what we do, we have to check this full condition once again at the end. So the same thing is checked in the end again over here. Okay, okay, and then what we do, simply we just traverse this vector, and extract each string from this and insert concatenate it in the answer string. So we just traverse this simple vector. Answer is equal to answer plus s, that is the string, plus a slash. That's it. And in the end, what we have to do, we have to remove the last slash. That is, the answer should not end with a slash. So just we if answers dot length is greater than 1, that is there are more than one characters present in the answer string, then we just pop back. We just remove the last element. That is, if there would be a slash present at the end, we would just remove it and return answer. And this, as you can see, this is accepted. That's all. Thank you.